How accountants turn LinkedIn expertise into clients. 1. LinkedIn isn't just networking. LinkedIn has become one of the most powerful platforms for accountants to turn knowledge into income. Business owners are actively searching for clarity, guidance, and advisors they can trust. When you position yourself correctly, LinkedIn becomes more than visibility, it becomes opportunity. 2. Be known for insight. Thought leadership isn't about posting more, it's about posting with purpose. When you simplify complex topics, share real-world insights, or challenge common misconceptions, you position yourself as someone who truly understands the field. Trust begins forming long before any conversation happens. 3. Talk to their challenges. The most effective content speaks directly to your audience's problems. When business owners feel understood, whether it's taxes, cash flow, or financial confusion, they engage. Posting consistently, even in small doses, reinforces credibility and keeps your expertise top of mind. 4. Go deeper with articles. LinkedIn articles allow you to go beyond short posts. They give you space to explain ideas clearly, share lessons, and demonstrate depth. Well-structured articles don't just educate, they build long-term authority that stays visible on your profile. 4. Connect without selling. Strong relationships start with genuine conversation, not sales pressure. By listening, asking thoughtful questions, and offering helpful insights, you build trust naturally. Value-first conversations make future collaboration feel easy and authentic. 5. Make the next step clear. Engagement is often the first sign of opportunity. When people ask questions or interact consistently, guide the conversation toward solutions. Clear service offerings and simple next steps turn interest into action, without forcing a sale. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more accounting tips.